Hey guys, I hope you're all doing good. It's Jess Hunt here, the founder of the beauty brand REFY. I hope you guys are excited for today's video. I'm going to be showing you all my everyday makeup routine, of course using all REFY products. This makeup look is perfect for every single day and especially during the winter season. So if you guys don't know about REFY, then REFY is all about redefining beauty and switching up the makeup game. It's about creating the most insane makeup results, but with minimal products and minimal effort. It's also a brand for absolutely everyone and encouraging you guys to feel like your most confident self. So anyway, let's get straight into this video and I'll show you guys how I create this look. So as you guys can see, I've already gone in and started my complexion. So I've just gone in with a little bit of concealer under my under eye and just in any other areas that I feel like I might need it. I've also put on some mascara and I've also gone for a nice neutral lip. So first things first, I'm going to go in with brows. And if you guys don't know about this product, then you need to try this. It's honestly brow game changing. It's REFY's Brow Sculpt. So this is it here. This product is double-ended. So if you start by twisting out the brush, all of our formula is in there. It is white, guys, but it does dry clear. I'm going to go in and show you guys now just how much this product transforms your brows. So I start by brushing upwards because I love a bushy brushed up brow like so. I'm going to go in and do the same on the other side. This product is honestly so amazing for achieving that brushed up brow look or just setting your brows in place for an all day hold. So once my brows are all coated in the formula, I then twist that back in and pull off the lid. And in here we have our double-ended brush. So we have a comb end here and more dense end here. I like to go in with a comb end just to make sure that my brow hairs are in the direction that I want them. And then I like to use the more dense end, this one here, just to go in and really press down those brow hairs and set them in place. This is going to also remove any excess formula, and this is the part of the process that's really going to set those brows in place and hold them all day. So this is how my brows are looking. They are just completely transformed. Now that my brows are all sculpted, I'm actually just going to go in with the REFY Brow Pomade. So this is it here. If we twist off the end, we have all of the formula just in there. I always wear the colour medium, but you also have it in the colours light and dark. And then in this end, we have a hidden brush. And this brush is so amazing for just going in and adding a little bit more of a fuller look to your brows. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the product now. I kind of use this every single day, just especially when my brows are looking a little bit more sparse and in need of a dye. This is perfect to just go in and create a much fuller brow look, as you guys can see. Next, I'm grabbing the REFY Brow Pencil. Honestly, the tip of this pencil is so tiny. I'm not too sure if you guys can see. It's honestly minuscule. I look at it compared to my eye. So it's so insane for just going in and adding some really gorgeous 3D hair strokes. I feel like this process just adds a whole another level to your brows and gives a really nice realistic finish. And then also in this end, we have a spoolie brush. And that is so amazing for just going in and blending your brows together to finish off your brow look. So now that my brows have been all sculpted and set for the day, I am ready to go in with my complexion. So I'm just taking the REFY Face Collection and here is the REFY Cream Bronzer. It's the most stunning formula. It's super creamy and glowy on the skin. I'm going to show you guys now. And I wear the colour Sand. And here is our REFY Duo End Brush. And I'm just going to be taking the blend end just here. It's super fluffy and just so amazing for packing on this product. So I'm going to show you guys what's so amazing about the cream bronzer formula also is the fact that it's so buildable, so you can literally tailor the cream bronzer depending on your desired look. So as I said before, I've just put on a little bit of concealer and then I'm just going to take the cream bronzer straight onto my skin because I love that natural glowing fresh finish. This product is just so amazing for adding a little bit more warmth and a little bit more depth to your complexion. As you guys can see with this brush, it just blends out so seamlessly and I'm just applying it to all of the areas where I would naturally be a little bit more sun-kissed. So obviously this is the side with the bronzer, it's looking super bronzy and glowy, and then this is the side without. So it really does make such a huge difference to your complexion. As I mentioned, I like to wear the colour Sand in the REFY Cream Bronzer, but we also have it in the colours Tan and Onyx. I do actually like to go in with Tan just to add a little bit more definition. I might do that today just to show you guys. But yeah, these products are just so incredible for creating that really gorgeous glow all year round. As I mentioned, I'm just taking tan straight onto my brush and just going in just to add that little bit more of definition. I love layering up these cream bronzers and they blend together so well. And I'm just applying this straight onto my skin, but the cream bronzer works amazingly over the top of foundation, tinted moisturizers, whatever base you like to use, and this is how it's looking. I'm now going to go in with the REFY cream blush, and this is in the colour Malaya. I would say this is definitely my everyday go-to when it comes to my blush. And I'm also going in with the REFY Duo End brush, but this time it's taking the buff end, which is a lot more dense and a lot more curved, so it's so amazing for packing on the cream blush. This formula is so pigmented, so you do not need much at all. I've literally taken the tiniest amount onto my brush and I just distribute it on both cheeks. And then using this brush, I just like to go in and buff that out. It just gives such a gorgeous, seamless finish. And I like to apply this at the highest point of my cheeks for a really gorgeous natural tint. And of course, the same on the other side. I also love to take this up onto my nose, just so it gives a really nice natural glowing complexion. This formula is also so similar to the REFY cream bronzer formula because they were both designed to give that gorgeous natural all over glow, which we all want and love all year round. We also have the REFY cream blushes in the colour Rose, which is a stunning pale pink, and also Citrine, which is a gorgeous citrusy orange colour. You guys will love them. Next, I'm taking the REFY Gloss Highlight. This is it here. It's a squeezy tube, and if you squeeze up the formula, I'll show you guys. It's super golden, but when you apply it to your skin, it gives the most glowing glass-like finish. This is it here. How stunning. It was designed to give a really gorgeous natural dewy glow. So this for me is literally a product that I need all year round in my makeup routine, just to have that gorgeous glowing skin all year round. Look at the difference that this product makes. It's so stunning, and it just blends so seamlessly into the skin. This is the side without, and it's still quite glowy due to the face collection being designed to have really gorgeous glowy formulas, but obviously the gloss highlight is just a game changer. The colour that it comes in is called Topaz, and this formula is also universal, which is amazing. So it was designed to work on every single skin tone and skin type. As you guys can see, I'm just gently patting this in to all of the areas where I do want a little bit more of a natural glow. And it's so amazing, this formula, because it literally doesn't budge any of your makeup underneath and just blends in so seamlessly, as you guys can tell. I'm obviously using the gloss highlight on my face for a really gorgeous dewy glass-like finish, but this product is so amazing and it's so versatile. You can literally put this on your body, on your chest, your shoulders. I love doing that before I go out. It just gives a really gorgeous, healthy glow. And this is how my complexion is looking. We are pretty much done, guys. There's just one other thing I want to go in and do. I love to go back in with the REFY pencil, this one here. As the tip is so small and so precise, it's really amazing for just going in and popping on some fake freckles. I love this look. I love a natural finish to my skin, and I feel like this complements it so well. So I just like to pat these on, and then I'll go in with my fingers just to blend them out. To finish off this makeup look, I'm just going to go back in with the cream blush in the colour Malaya. It's the one that I'm wearing, just to go in and add a little bit of a lip tint to my lips. I feel like this just ties in my entire makeup look and just gives a really gorgeous, nice, natural finish. Let me know if you guys have tried this. If not, you need to. Anyway, guys, this is my finished makeup look. This is my look that I go to every single day. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please give it a like. Also, please comment your favourite REFY products, or if you haven't tried it, please let me know if you're going to. I'm so excited to hear what you guys think. All of the REFY products are available over at Sephora, so make sure you guys go and check them out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all very soon.